Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with WeBull, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Download the WeBull app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Provide the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Complete the risk assessment questionnaire to help WeBull understand your investment experience. Once your account is set up, log into the app. Familiarize yourself with the home screen, which displays market information and your account balance. Navigate to the Markets section to explore available stocks and ETFs. Use the search bar to find specific stocks you're interested in. Tap on a stock to view detailed information, including its price history and recent news. If you decide to invest, click on the Trade button for that stock. Select whether you want to buy or sell shares. Enter the number of shares you wish to trade. Review the order details, including the total cost and any fees. Confirm your order to execute the trade. Monitor your investments through the Portfolio section. Consider utilizing the research tools available within the app to track market trends. Set up alerts for price changes or news related to your favorite stocks. Explore the educational resources provided by WeBull to enhance your investing knowledge. Remember to regularly review your portfolio for performance and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed about market conditions to make proactive investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.